through it all, Sherman teaches you to trust yourself. You definitely come in here as a student and you're kind of unsure of what you're doing, what you're getting, what you're putting yourself into, like what am I getting myself into? But the people you meet along the way really impact you here. And this program helps you believe that you can do hard things, even when the odds are very against you and it feels almost impossible to pass biochem. It reminds you that it isn't just about knowledge, but it's about faith in who you're becoming.